We're here today at 59 Edgewood Street. As you can see, this is a home that we're working on. We're renovating it in order to rent it out to someone in the community. We were able to get it before it completely was turned over to the bank, but we feel good about being able to work on this now and get it renovated and put it back on the tax rolls, because the taxes were also going delinquent.
Hi, I'm Gavin Garrett.
I'm Glenn Garrett.
I'm a 4th form day student at the Hill School.
And I'm Gavin's dad, and I'm helping out with the Hill School whatever we can. I'm a commercial electrician.
My name is Alejandro Toro. I'm a 5th former. I'm unscrewing little bits from here, then we're gonna paint over them.
Hi, I'm Alexander Christie, and I'm a 5th former here at the Hill. I think that this idea of this property is it's a great way to help raise money from the community.
We are rehabbing a property in Pottstown that really was in need of a lot of work. Second of all, we'll be providing an affordable, great place to live to someone who wants to live and work in Pottstown and in Hobart's Run. And the final aspect is that the rental income from this property will be poured right back into the Pottstown community. It might help with facade improvements in the community, or it might end up benefiting kids who go to the Ricketts Center.
Hello, I'm Joseph Kim. I thought making Pottstown better would also improve our school community, because the Hill School is obviously in Pottstown.
I'm Alex. I'm from Russia, Moscow. I feel like if we live in Pottstown and our school is in Pottstown, we should help improve the city. So this is why I'm doing this.
I think this place is going to look great when we're all finished. I love these built-ins, and that east window is so big. There's some really nice people on this block.
We're really excited about what's going on here, and we hope that you can come out and join us. We'll be working for the next 2 Saturdays in January. The cold doesn't stop us because it's warm inside, so come on out and help us.